This video will be a really quick one because we can look at something fairly simple, which is using the sum function in Google Sheets. So to show you how to use that, I'm basically going to find the sum of all of the whole numbers from 1 to 100. So the first thing I have to do is actually create a list of the numbers from 1 to 100. So as before, I don't need to obviously type them all in. I just put enough in there that the program can get the pattern. Click and drag to highlight them, go to the bottom right hand corner so my cursor turns into a little black cross, and then drag that all the way down to 100. And there we go. So there's all of our numbers. Now we just have to work out how to add them together. So what I'll do is I will put the sum or the total of those numbers into this cell here, D2. So the way I'm going to do that is I just write equals, I write SUM, and then I can click on that, and then now I need to click and drag over the cells that I want to add together. So I'm going to click and drag all the way down to 100, and then hit enter. And there you go. So if I was to add all of those numbers together by hand, I would have got 5,050. So this is obviously a really fast way of adding lists of numbers together to find a total. Done.